Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to create a SharePoint site easy tutorial. First, you want to go and open your browser, then search for SharePoint site creation, then click on the first option, and here it tells you exactly what are the steps. So first, you want to select create site on the SharePoint start page. Then you want to choose whether you want it team site or a communication site. Then select the template that you want to use to create your new site, and select use template to begin creating a site from your selected template. Enter the name for the site. When you start to enter a name for the site, other fields appear. You can enter a site description and edit the site address and the group email address for a team site if you want. Important, the only symbols allowed in the site address are underscores, dashes, single quotes, and periods, and cannot start or end with a period. If prompted, select privacy settings for your site information. Select the default language for your site. Select create site. You can choose to add site members and owners if you want. Then you'll have to click on finish. So now let's do these practically. First, you want to open the SharePoint website on your PC. Then you want to go and click on SharePoint just right here at this point. Then you want to go and click on create site on the top left side. You'll find it here exactly. Then you want to choose between team site or communication site. Then you want to add the site name and site description. And after you enter the site name and site description or the site email address, here it will show you this URL for the site. Now you can choose the privacy settings between public and private, then hit next. And now here you can add some group members. You can add additional honors or add small members, then click on finish. Then here you have the added members. And now voila, here you have the website as you can see. Now this is the interface of the team site. If you go back and click on create site, then choose the communication site, it will show here an additional option, which is the design option. You can choose between topic, showcase, and blank. So in my case, I will choose showcase. And also you have to enter the site name and site address and the description, and it will also give you a URL. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.